Hi, welcome to Dr. Square. This is Dr. Muhammad Awais. In our last video, we have learned how to download Stata 18 latest edition for free. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Stata 18 in your computer. Before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to our channel. Let's get started. This is a Stata file that we downloaded in our previous video. If you didn't watch that video yet, you can watch that video by clicking on the link that is popping up at the top right corner of your screen. Anyways, here is the file. Double click on it and the setup begins. Hit next. Accept the terms and conditions if you really want to proceed further. Ideally, you should read these terms before agreeing to it. Next. Next. So choose the edition that matches your license. You can check your license type by going to the email that you received, open the PDF that is attached to that email, and you will find the license software Stata MP 18. Go back to setup, Stata MP. Next. I am okay with the default settings. Next. Okay, next. Install. The Stata 18 has been successfully installed. Finish. Now how to open the software? Go to Start menu, Stata 18, 64-bit, hit enter. Give your name, organization, serial number that is available in the PDF that you received in an email. Okay, serial number, code. This is the code. Authorization. This is the authorization code. Hit next. Uncheck this box and hit finish. So here you go. The software has been successfully downloaded, installed, and is being run in your computers. So you see how easy it was to download the latest edition of Stata, which is version 18, and how to install and then how to run the software in your computers. By the way, if you want to buy license of this software, feel free to send an email on the email address that is popping up at the bottom of this screen. Before closing this window, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching this.